Making high-quality die casting parts can be challenging. Issues like air porosity, shrinkage defects, or rough surface finishes often lead to extra time and cost for adjustments. At Sunrise Metal, we use advanced die casting technologies to deliver parts that meet your functional requirements and perform reliably in your applications. Let's start with vacuum die casting. This process removes air from the mold before pouring in the molten metal, reducing trapped gases. The result? Strong, reliable components with greater strength and long-lasting performance. It also improves surface quality. Less porosity means smooth finishing, saving time on post-processing. Next is semi-solid die casting, a process that cools molten metal into a semi-solid slurry with a small solid particles. This ensures the metal flows evenly into the mold, producing consistent and dependable parts. What's more, it reduces production time and cost, delivering better results efficiently. With squeeze die casting, the molten metal is compressed under high pressure in the mold. This method minimizes air porosity and ensures excellent strength and performance. It also provides smooth, refined surface finishes, making it perfect for applications where precision matters most. Finally, we have gravity die casting. Here, the molten metal flows into the mold naturally using gravity without any added pressure. This simple method creates accurate parts with high strength and high precision. It's a smart choice for medium production runs where you need both quality and cost effectiveness. At Sunrise Metal, we deliver parts that are strong, precise, and reliable for your applications. Our die casting solutions are tailored to your needs. Let's work together to bring your projects to life.